It's like a party in your mouth. It's like all together. So tender, so meaty, cheesy, creamy. So good. Today we are going to be making lasagna. I've already prepared lasagna dough. You can check this video with all the process. Believe me, it's really easy and not that long to make. Otherwise, you can buy lasagna pasta, lasagna noodles and just use them. It will be still good because we have our ragu, which is really perfect. Today I will not use pasta machine and I will roll out my pasta by hand. If you do have one, you can just go and use it. It will make your life just a bit easier. But anyway, let's go. Well, I cut my pasta dough in several pieces and we're going to put others to the side, covering them so they don't dry out. Flour surface on both sides so nothing sticks, cause the pasta has to be able to move as you spread it. So we want to roll it out into one long piece, so when you're rolling out pasta dough, it starts kind of making a really oblong shape. Over here we have a pan of water heating up, so we'll add some salt in it and then we'll boil our pasta. Our dish should be deep, because lasagna is big. Here I have two dishes and I think for today I'm gonna opt the bigger one. So that means that my lasagna will not be very high, but for today I feel like choosing this one. Please don't get crazy trying to make the perfectly shaped pasta. Come on, this is homemade, this is rustic. The point, it should be something like that.
Our first layer is Béchamel with meat sauce, and that helps the noodles not stick to the pan. Next, add our pasta sheets. Over those, spread a layer of Béchamel, followed by a second layer of meat sauce and a generous sprinkle of Parmigiano. Repeat these steps to build as many layers as your ingredients or baking dish will allow.
The green pasta is a variation of the classic fresh egg pasta that has its particular ingredient, spinach, that donate that classic green coloring. Fresh pasta dough is so good, you can use it to make any kind of noodle.
If you prefer thicker bechamel sauce, just add more flour. Finish your lasagna with chunks of butter and cover it with foil. We'll bake the lasagna for 30 minutes and then remove the foil and bake it for another 25 to 30 minutes, just until it is a bit crunchy on top. Then let it cool for 20 minutes.
Now it's time for tasting, my favorite part.